Alright, it's time. When you're bored and it's raining outside, just like it is for me, well, I'm gonna tell you 10 things to do, alright? Okay. You can simply masturbate. Or, you could drink this shitty juice. Oh my gosh, it's probably not even 100% juice. Look at, let's... No, it doesn't say just juice on there. I don't believe it. You could be an old person and just stare at the rain and think about old people stuff. So relaxing. You can slap your wanker. You could watch piece of junk TV show. I mean, what is this garbage? Look, there's a big line in that TV because this freaking show sucks. Yeah. You can act like Jack Sparrow or run like a jackass. The most funnest thing you can do is walk up and down a staircase. Or if you don't have a staircase, you can just walk on this piece of crap right here. Look at that. Oh, that's entertaining right there. Another thing you can do is you can freaking look at coupons. I mean, what's more fun than a coupon? Open up. Look at that. It's upside down, but I can read it because it's not boring. Oh yeah. Another entertaining thing to do is eat old soup. Look at this. You see that? Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. The most entertaining thing yet is stare at yourself in a mirror. Thanks for watching 10 ways for entertainment while it's raining. Bye-bye.